Let's learn how to delete WhatsApp messages permanently. If it has ever happened to you that you accidentally sent a message and want to delete it but don't know how, after watching this video, you will know how to delete all messages in a chat and how to delete a specific message. The first thing you need to do is open the WhatsApp application. When you open WhatsApp, you will be on the Updates page, but you need to be on the page where all your chats are. This page will open when you click on the Chats option located at the bottom, right next to the Settings option. When you open that page, find the chat in which you want to delete a message. Once you've found that chat, enter it and you'll see the messages. Now you need to hold your finger on the message you want to delete. When you do this, a menu with several options will pop up, and you need to click on the Delete option. When you click on that, you'll have the option to select which messages you want to delete by clicking on the circle next to those messages. Once you select the messages you want to delete, you need to click on the trash can symbol located at the bottom left corner of the screen. When you click on that, you will have two options: to choose whether you want to delete that message for everyone or just for yourself. Choose what you want, and you have successfully deleted the message. If you want to delete all messages at once, you need to go to Chat Settings. You can open this by clicking on the chat name at the top of the page. When you open that, you will see some irrelevant options for this tutorial. The option you need for this tutorial is at the bottom, so you need to scroll down. When you scroll down, you will see the red option Clear Chat, which you need to click on. When you click on it, a question will pop up asking if you want to confirm. If you do, click on Clear All Messages, and you have successfully deleted all messages from the chat. So, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.